We are going to take on an activity today. It is rainy and cold here, and I mean cold for Florida is like what, 70. Many of you don't know, we homeschool our kids. I have 3 kids and one of them graduated out, 2 of them are still homeschooled. So I picked today, of all days, to let's do a mom activity. We're gonna try to make butter. I got some rolls and I got some seasoning, Italian seasoning from Publix. If you know, you know. And we're gonna see how this goes. We just finished our butter. We took all the butter that was collected in the top part. I'm gonna strain out the buttermilk. We rinsed it in some water, and then we are left with butter. This is our butter, and it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and season this up with a little bit of salt. But this is our butter.
Oh, she cute. Now here, I'm just gonna get parchment paper. I'm gonna roll out the butter into like little rectangles so I can fit it to a container. Now that they're all rolled out, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt on top, and we're gonna go ahead and dig into this bread and butter.
Look at that buttery biscuit.